Okay, oh my god, this is bad.
What?
This is bad. We're getting into a heavily treed area. This is bad. This is bad.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Can we see it?
Barely. Yeah, I can see the power.
Oh, power flashes.
We're running parallel with it, aren't we?
We're running parallel.
Okay.
Running parallel.
Here we go, here we go. Here's a clearing, here's a clearing.
Here's a clearing.
Pull into the cemetery. Or this thing, right here.
Okay, it's right here. Oh my god. We are right here.
There it is.
There it is, okay.
Pull into this driveway. Just pull in.
Yeah, okay.
Nobody's home.
Okay, oh my god.
Can we get out? Is it safe?
Yeah.
Okay.
There it is.
She's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
It's right here. It is right here.
Star, stand in front of my camera. Oh my god, it was so awesome. Yes, I did it. That was awesome.
Large stovepipe tornado. Oh my god, it's moving right through populated areas.
Where's it going?
It's moving through Broken Arrow.
Oh. Are we okay?
I think we're okay. Oh my god, you can hear the roar. I think we're okay.
You think? Or you know?
Hold on. We're gonna be okay. It's moving just to our north and east. Oh my god, power flashes. Look at that motion. Oh, it is right there. That is, oh, we got debris. We've got debris. Oh God, it's going right through Broken Arrow. Right through Broken Arrow. Sarah, can you hold this, honey? Oh my God. Top. A mile from this tornado. We're getting debris falling from houses. Oh God. Oh God, Sarah, come here. Sarah, please come here. We're safe. Hold the video camera. Hold the video camera.
I got it. It's gonna go right across these power lines.
Take my hat. I don't want to lose it.